In this video, I will explain you about GUI, that is Graphical User Interface. So first we will understand interface. Interface is a point of communication, a set of commands or dialogues that are used for communication. So when we use computer system, we are the users of computer system. Computer system provides services. So to communicate with computer system, we need some interface. So as a user, we are using the interface. So that is user interface. So that interface can be in two forms. One is CUI, character user interface. Next is GUI, graphical user interface. In short, it is also called as GUI, graphical user interface. So in the early ages of computers, the interface was character user interface. And if you have ever heard about DOS, that was disk operating system, it used to provide character user interface. So we call this as command prompt or DOS shell. So this was the old interface. So this is how we used to see the directories, the list of files and folders. dir was the command. So dir is a part of user interface command. CLS for clearing a screen. CD for change directory. dir for directory. dir star dot with wildcard characters, we can filter the files, dot class files. So there are various commands that are used for interacting with the operating system, and the operating system will answer to our commands or respond to our commands. But later on, some operating systems started providing graphical user interface. So nowadays, all the operating system have their own graphical user interface. Now we are using Windows. So in Windows, I'll show you what does it mean by graphical user interface. See, this is my computer or file explorer. Here we can check the files on our system, computer system. This is the C drive and this is my Java. So this representation is graphical. Whereas here we used to give dir command and we used to see the contents. Now here we can see the contents and also we can highlight them, we can select them and right click and we can delete them. This is all graphical. Whereas this interface was only in terms of characters. dir are all three characters, okay, and the result is also character based. All these are characters. So this is the difference between CUI and GUI. Next, one more thing I will show you. See, there is something called as look and feel. This is a GUI of Windows operating system, in which the windows, how a window look like. Just you watch this one, how a window look like. Just observe it. If I open paint window, this also looks similar. You can see that on the top there are some toolbar icons, and this is the name of an application, and here are the buttons for minimizing, maximizing and closing. Right hand side we have buttons, okay, and this side scroll bar is there, and this is the toolbar, and this is the menu bar here. So this is how a look and feel of this Windows operating system. So every operating system has its own look and feel for its GUI. See, this is the Mac operating system, Mac OS. So look and feel is different. So this boundaries of this window look a little soft edges, right? Whereas on Windows, these are little sharp edges. And minimizing, closing or maximizing buttons are on the left hand side, and the title is in the middle. Title of this one is in the middle. Toolbar is there only, right? So this is a Finder application, just like my computer or file explorer in Windows. So if you want to see the directory, you can see the directory like this. All these are files. Now this is another application. This is a terminal. So look and feel on Mac is different from look and feel on Windows. So I have explained you about look and feel also. So this is about CUI interface and GUI interface. Till now, what all the programs that we were writing were CUI based programs. I will remove this. All the programs were CUI based, character user interface. Now some programs are there here. I will run the program Java circle. See, I have called the program Java program. I have executed and the output is character based. Everything is character based. But can we develop GUI applications in Java? Yes, we can develop. So that's what we are going to learn in this section. See, Java provides various frameworks for developing GUI applications. So first one is AWT. This is the first framework that was introduced by Java, that is Abstract Window Toolkit. Then second one was Swings. Then third one is Java FX. So this is the first one. Then the advanced one was this one. Then this is the latest one. This is a simple framework, okay, having few components. So this is easy to learn and understand. So once we understand this, then learning these two will not be much difficult. Quickly we can learn these two. So in this section, I will be explaining about Abstract Window Toolkit. Then later on we will see Swings as well as Java FX. Once we are familiar with this one, so almost we are familiar with these two also. Though this is outdated and this is also outdated. We can say outdated now. Now presently being used is JavaFX, but there are some old applications which are still running in Swings, but AWT is almost gone. So those applications are also not existing now. So but still it is available in Java. We can use it. So for learning GUI programming, this is the best one. So let us start learning AWT from next video onwards.